In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone screen flickering. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option display and brightness. Now head over to the option true tone. If it is enabled, disable it. This can sometimes trigger flickering. Next up, head back to the main page of settings. Now scroll down and head over to the option accessibility. Now navigate to the option display and text size. Now scroll down to the bottom and disable for the option auto brightness, since that feature can cause also brightness fluctuations and screen flicker. After that, head back to the main page of settings, go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just update your phone to its latest version. Outdated software can lead to glitches like this. Finally, try a simple restart by swiping down from the top right corner, tapping the power button symbol and powering your device off and back on again. Sometimes a quick reboot resolves the issue instantly. Hopefully, one of these methods helps solve your screen flickering problem. And if it does, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.